how do we solve problems using the trigonometric triangle? Metric triangle. Okay, how do we solve problems using the trigonometric triangle? And remember, we're going to use this a lot. So, CAH, TOA, and opposite, this is the hypotenuse. The cosine is adjacent, that's next to over the hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so there's our three trig functions. Really important. Remember that. I've used it a few times. But remember, it's going to help us out. We're going to solve problems using this right here, this mnemonic device, SOCA TOA, and make sure you see how it works. And it's the best thing. I always put this right out. Anytime I'm solving problems, I write SOCA TOA right on my top of my page, and I use that to help solve the problems. So our first problem. And I'll leave SOCA TOA right up here. SOCA TOA. And our first problem says, number one, a surveyor is setting 50 feet from the base, is surveying. Surveyor is standing 50 feet from the base of a large tree, So we have a surveyor standing 50 feet from the base of a large tree. The surveyor measures the angle of elevation as 71.5 degrees. Question is, how tall is that tree? How tall is that tree? Okay, so read through this. A surveyor is standing 50 feet from the base of a large tree. The surveyor measures the angle of elevation as 71.5 degrees. How tall is that tree? Great question. This question, we see this a lot in trigonometry. It's a very basic question. What I always say is draw out the situation, get an idea what's going on here.